Introducing the 9050 Multi-Purpose Primer, your ultimate solution for flawless flooring prep. Our primer, designed for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, offers an easy roll-on application for your convenience. With a generous 300 to 350 square foot per gallon spread rate, you get more coverage for your investment. What sets our 9050 primer apart is its versatility. It's the ideal choice for a range of surfaces, including lightweight concrete, plywood, and floor patch. Plus, it's perfect for porous surfaces, ensuring superior adhesion for your flooring materials. Not only does this primer prepare your surface for the perfect foundation, it also includes a pH blocker, neutralizing excess alkali. Say goodbye to worries about pH imbalances. Our 9050 primer ensures surfaces stay within a safe pH range of 5 to 9, safeguarding the longevity of your flooring. Make the wise choice with 9050 Multi-Purpose Primer, your first step towards a durable, long-lasting floor.